Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can stream White Lotus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So White Lotus is basically an American black comedy drama which is televised on different streaming platforms. So to stream White Lotus, all you need to do is simply tap open your HBO Max, and once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you can do is simply get logged in or create a new account and get access to your HBO Max account. So once you have typed in your email address and your password, you can simply hit the sign in button and get into your HBO Max. So once you're here, you can simply scroll down and search for the White Lotus show. So for example, if you want to stream White Lotus, then you can simply type it in the search bar and you can simply tap it on, and you will be able to get that channel or that show on your HBO Max account. So you can simply watch it through it, or you can download it and watch it later, and this way you can stream the White Lotus on HBO Max. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.